Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for joining me for this second flight of the YUXIANG F119S 16th scale MD500. This is a really nice helicopter. It features GPS, a brushless motor, and it's completely ready to fly. This is a stabilised RC helicopter, which means it is super easy to fly. You would need little or no RC flying experience to fly one of these helicopters because it flies more like a drone than a traditional RC helicopter. It also has GPS on board, and that means it knows where it is. That enables you to flick a switch and tell it to return to home and land by itself. Also means it has additional safety features. Should you go low battery on the flight battery in the helicopter or on the radio transmitter, it will also return to home and land. This RC helicopter comes in its own case to keep all the components together. The instructions are very important. You should read those through so you know how to operate the radio transmitter and all its different flight modes. The helicopter itself has a huge amount of scale detail, is already assembled except for the landing gear you have to attach to it. You can order it with 2 or 3 batteries, and it also comes with the charger and the cradle for those batteries. The landing gear is separate and needs to be attached with 4 bolts. You also get spare blades and the tools if you should need to use them. The external onboard views you're seeing here are from an Insta360 Go3 action camera. Use a little bit of Velcro and you can attach it virtually anywhere for these stunning onboard shots. I have to say, this MD500 RC helicopter does fly really accurately. It is very stable and flies really precisely according to the inputs you put on the sticks. You can see here I'm flying really confidently, and I can fly it relatively low at 2 or 3 feet. I'm not a great RC helicopter pilot, but this RC helicopter makes it super easy. Okay, preparing to land now, and just to show how stable this RC helicopter is even in a 10 to 15 mile an hour crosswind. Approaching the landing pad, working it lower and lower until I get it down on its skids and then cutting the motor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and watch future Essential RC videos. Thanks very much.